Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Twinmotion to make a site model. First things first, load Twinmotion in your computer and then go to the Populate tab. Click on Urban and look for the desired location. In this case it's going to be Footscray. Zoom in and out of the map to get more or less site model, and once you're happy with it you can click on Download and Place and wait a few seconds for the side model to load in Twinmotion. Once it's loaded, you can hover around, take a look, and see that the model is pretty good. All the geometries are pretty clean. You can see the buildings, roads, parks, etc. Have a look around. You can zoom in or out and get closer to the buildings. You can customize the site model by adding materials to the different objects. For example, the buildings. Go to the materials tab on the left, and then from the library choose any of the materials you like. Once you're happy with the material you like for the buildings, just click on it and then drag it into the buildings and you'll see how all the buildings change. You can also do this with roads or the ground and it will work with everything. You can also edit that material that you just placed. You can change its luminosity, grunge, rotation, scale, whatever you like depending on your needs. Another thing you can do with the Populate tab is create paths. This will allow you to make paths with vehicles, characters, bicycles, whatever you want. For example, I can make a path with vehicles going through the road, and then I can customize this path. I can make it 2 ways, I can add more lanes, I can make the lanes bigger or narrower, and also change the density of how many cars I want on that lane, and also the speed of the cars. On the Populate tab, you can also do the same thing with humans. So click on character, and same thing you did with the vehicles. Just draw a line, and then you'll see the humans appear. You have different options as the type of humans, the clothing they're wearing, how many do you want, the density, etc. I recommend you doing this on several parts of the model so that it looks livelier. And then you can also do vegetation with the Populate tab, and there's 2 ways of doing this. So there's the paint and scatter option. The scatter option, you will have to get a tree from the library tab, drag it into the box, and then you can change the tree's age to see how it goes from higher to lower, and also the season. And there's also a few details of the trees you can change. Once you're happy with it, click on the scatter tool and then just click on the model and you'll see the trees scatter around. As you can see, the whole model is filled with trees now, all scattered automatically. With this option you don't have that much control over them, so there's also another option to scatter trees around the model, which is a bit more controlled. So in the Populate tab, you can go to the paintbrush. Same thing, drag one of the trees and put it on the box, and then just paint whatever you want the trees to be in. As you can see, the trees appear where I paint, and fill the model with any and as much trees as you want. Once you're happy with your model, you can go to the big screen mode, and here you can see your model in a rendered view. This is what it probably looked like when you get a screenshot, a render, or a video of the model. There's also a few controls you can toggle with. In the right eye, on the top right, you can see a lot of different options here, like changing the speed of the vehicles or the planes if you have any. Also, you can have different styles for the renders. You can see the flat outline here, which is pretty cool. You can change it to shaded outline, plaster, wood, which is my favorite. I think it looks really good. Also metal or foam, or you can just go with the default one. I think all those options are good when you want to do just a quick render and you don't want to spend time choosing materials. So once you're happy with it, just select a view that you like and then render it out. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.